बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 9th बायोलॉजी की बुक के हवाले से चैप्टर नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू बायोलॉजी के अंदर सिलेक्ट होने वाले डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज़ के क्वेश्चंस की डिस्कशन हम पार्ट 1 टू पार्ट 4 लेक्चर्स में कर चुके। आज हम इसी चैप्टर के नए टॉपिक का आगाज़ करेंगे एंड दैट इज़ ऑर्गन एंड ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल। इस टॉपिक को एज अ लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन के अंदर पूछा जा सकता है। इसी तरह इस टॉपिक के अंदर मौजूद जो डिफरेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं उनमें पहला शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ऑर्गन। The next one is the function of stomach. The other is what are the types of tissues present in the stomach. The next one is the definition of organ system. And in the last of this page there is present digestive system. So different short questions which can be asked on this page are definition of organ, function of stomach, major type of tissues present in the stomach, what is organ system and what is digestive system. इसी पेज पर जो डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज के MCQs मौजूद हैं, एक तो ये डेफिनेशन ऑफ ऑर्गन ही एज MCQs है। इसी तरह से जो फंक्शन ऑफ स्टमक है दैट इज़ अ डाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड अदर इज स्टोरिंग फूड। टू मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ टिश्यूज विच आर प्रेजेंट आर epithelial tissues and the other is muscular tissues. Organ system can also be selected in MCQs. Next question is major organs of digestive system. And in the last there is a question why the organ system level is less complex in plants as compared to animals. So these are the short questions or MCQs which can be selected in organ and organ system level. Now we shall start the next level of organization, that is the individual level. Individual level के अंदर जो first line हमारे सामने मौजूद है that is a definition of individual or organism, and that definition can be selected as short question. And there is an example: when a man is engaged in continuous and hard exercise, what will happen? That is another question. A man engaged in continuous and hard exercise, what will happen? There are multiple choice questions as well. The definition of individual or organism can be selected as short question as well as multiple choice question. In organism, the functions, the processes or activities of various organs and organ system are coordinated. The next level of organization is population level. In population level, there is a definition of a population. Population is defined as a group of organisms of the same species located at the same place in the same time. That definition can be selected as short question. Also there is another definition, and that definition is of species. there is a definition of a habitat as well. All these three definitions can be selected as short questions. If we discuss multiple choice questions, there is a multiple choice question and that is related with the definition of population. Also there is the multiple choice of population of Pakistan in 2010 and that was 173.5 million individuals. That can be asked as MCQs. Also there is a definition of species that can be selected as MCQs as well, and habitat can also be asked as MCQs in the examination. The next level is the community level. In community level there is the definition of community in the start and that is the short question which can be selected. Define a community. There is example of forest and it can also be asked as a question. Discuss forest as community. And there is another question that is the difference between the complex community and a simple community. So these three types of questions can be asked from community level. Also population and community level have been asked in the examination. Write a note on population and community level as well as differentiate between population and community. That is a short question. And in the last there is biosphere level. There are two definitions present in the biosphere level. The first one is the definition of biosphere level that is asked as a short question, and there is another definition which is actually the ecosystem. So these two definitions can be selected as short question. If we discuss the MCQs which are present in this topic, the first one is the definition of community which can be selected as MCQs. Another is communities are collection of different organisms in which the population may increase and the other may decrease. Forest is a complex community and a fallen log is a simple community. Biosphere level, in the same way ecosystem, and in the last the zone of life on earth. So today we have completed our topic of biological organizations. All the 9 organizations we have discussed. From all these organizations the long questions can be selected, as well as there are many short questions and MCQs which we have discussed in detail. In the next topic we shall discuss inshallah the last topic of chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology. Till then, Allah Hafiz.